Now we are going to overview have an overview on outputs and the results of the calculation. So at first we evaluate the results of foundation without pi, only foundation. Uh, the foundation that is subjected to uh, surface loading of 150 kilopascal. So if you want to see the results, you must go to the output, and for example, in this part, you in this part you choose the phase that you want. Of course, the third phase is the phase that we want to evaluate the behavior foundation without pi. As you see, the maximum value of the formation, or the maximum value of displacement, is about 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter is the maximum displacement of uh, this foundation without pi. And if we want to evaluate the stresses, we can choose stress, Cartesian effective stresses, Cartesian total stresses, principal effective stresses, principal total stresses. For example, we use Cartesian effective stresses, equilibrium Z, and this is stress distribution, effective stress distribution in the model. And something that is very important for us is UZ. UZ for this model. That's if we see, we can see that the maximum value is 12 centimeter, and we can have a cross section to view better, to have a better view. For example, in this model, we use a cross section, use cross section, and now we can see the displacement in the depth of the model. So this is the distribution of the displacement distribution of the model. If we zoom, you can see better. This is the distribution of the uh, displacement under the foundation. So something that is important is that this model doesn't have any pile, and only the foundation is there is, and these settlements are settlements under the foundation. So uh, now we can go to another model, the foundation with piles, with the pile groups. We can see the results of the foundation with the pile groups. So let's see the results. Yes, as you see, the maximum uh, mm, value of settlements is about 4.5 centimeter. So it means that the settlements is less than uh, half of settlements of without foundation, without piles. And so the settlements is reduced largely. So you can see stressors, for example, cartographic stressors and depths. And you can see, for example, the strain, for example, uh, shear strain. You can see shear strain in the model. We can see different outputs that we need. For example, total displacement, some phase displacement, displacement, incremental displacement, total Cartesian strain, phase Cartesian strain, incremental Cartesian strain, total strain, phase strain, incremental strain. So there are different outputs, but of course, as I told you, one of the most important outputs that I we need is uh, the maximum of the maximum displacements or maximum settlements of the foundation. That in this model, without pile, the value is 12 centimeter, and with pile, the value will decrease to 4.5 centimeter. That shows that the pile groups is very effective in the results.